he gets his car detailed. He keeps it fairly clean, but likes getting it detailed pretty often to keep that standard going. So we're going to him first, and then the second one we're going to is an older truck, and then the seats are extremely dirty, and he wants the seats shampooed to get them cleaner, I guess. So we're going to take a look at that. This one's definitely dirty, man. Look at that dirt right there. But nonetheless, you do see all this dirt here. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. There's a good shot here. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Night and day, literally. Wow. You see that brown coming out? Look at that dirt. Look at that dirt coming out of there. Wow. That dirt right there. Look at that right there. Wow. Extraction. All of this.